Good evening, folks. There is the live band at the front of Discovery Shopping Mall nowadays, and I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. I'm gonna show you today the old KUTA. So starting from the Discovery Shopping Mall up to the Lipo Mall, I got some requests. This is like maybe not so exciting for people who coming to Bali recently, like a younger generation, but this is definitely memorial walk for everybody who know KUTA and Bali since 70s, since 80s, when this was the most hyped place in Bali, together with Sanur and the Canggu. Seminyak doesn't even exist. There was nobody even had idea something like this gonna happen in Bali. So today is very memorial video for everybody of you who are interested about saying old KUTA. Not too many other YouTubers, vloggers will show you that. So why not? I know it's not for everybody. Probably some of you guys already switched off the video, didn't even listen to this moment, what I'm saying right now. But for everybody of you who are interested to sing old KUTA, sit and relax and enjoy, especially for you guys today. Okay, so Discovery Shopping Mall is this one, and this is the traffic condition situation. There is little gang going to Tuban. Tuban is definitely the oldest part of KUTA, but recently there is not that much to show you there except driving. But old KUTA, this one, starting from the Bali Rani Hotel at the front and Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel as well, up to Lipo Mall. Don't take me wrong, together with this hotel, Bali Rani, and the hotel what I gonna show you very close, very soon, Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel, that's very old hotels. They are around 50 years old hotels basically, most of them, but they are still operating. Here we go. That was long time ago, hotel before pandemic, collaborate together with Qatar Airways. Now, well, they still have a very nice entrance actually. Here we go, I just wanted to show you. But this Qatar Airways doesn't collaborate with them. And that's the stroll. Definitely feels a little bit different than the other parts of Bali, even the other most popular part of KUTA. However, like I said, memorial walk today, and let's see what we can find here. Except as there are so many, motorbike rentals, statue shops, tour agents, little mini markets, merchandise, souvenir shops. There must be also something interesting. There's some sports bar as well. Some people still enjoying. This part of KUTA is not forgotten, guys. Don't take me wrong. It's maybe not as popular, but it's definitely not forgotten. It was forgotten during the pandemic, but it's not now. There is something interesting on the top, some sort of bar with the bamboo construction, so many souvenir shops together with the money changer. And let's see really what we can find up to Lipo Mall today. So, statue, of course, sure. Some dealing, some restaurants. Actually, there's more people strolling around than I thought. That's good. I'm happy, optimistic. There is the building what is totally abandoned. Just wanted to let you know. I don't know what was there. Maybe you remember something. It's totally abandoned. And then it's legendary, the beer cycle, Bali beer cycle. They boarding up there inside. Happy people, they boarding and they're gonna go. So this is where you order this. One of the few companies in Bali doing it. But I think this one was the first one. And this is it. That's the KUTA vibe actually. The old KUTA vibe. This is Australian owned tattoo studio, but I think it's closed. But overall, this is it. Unfortunately, you see so many buildings are empty, and for rent, this is the victims of the pandemic. Unfortunately, not everybody come back, and even something here belongs to the hotel is under the renovation as well. So, but you can see some people sometimes, and the sounds of the constructions, but also a lot of abandoned buildings. But those buildings were abandoned already for many years. But the sad as nobody take them over. But this part of KUTA is specific, guys. It's old and needs some totally different plannings if they're gonna recover. But didn't change much since last 50 years. That's another thing. And this is legendary hotel, Bali Dynasty, the live music Bali Dynasty Resorts. Here you go. And they have a band. Had to cut this off with the, I'm afraid of the copyrights, because it could happen also a little bit of the traffic congestion, so all of those buildings, but they're a little bit abandoned. But then there is Febris KUTA, and then we have Anvaya, which is a 5-star hotel, also nice, looks pretty decent in general. And we are halfway to Lipo Mall basically. All of those old restaurants, old hotels still have people, still have guests, still have customers. It's just slightly less popular than, for example, beach walk area of KUTA, not mentioned on the other sides of Bali. And the cars going, because this is road going to airport when I'm facing right now. So the traffic situation is always here, no matter basically of what. But pedestrians definitely less than other parts of KUTA, but still it's not that bad. It's not that bad, and you can find so many budget hotels actually as well, due to as the area is less popular, like this one, Eden, for example, which is just at the front of the Anvaya hotel. Anvaya is not really budget, it's actually a really nice hotel, but you can find a little bit of everything here actually today. Also quite a lot of spas, mini markets, tourist informations, you know, old KUTA vibe. It was like that actually. Some traditional restaurants here as well, like Bebek Tepisawa here, but as you can see, oops, very quiet. And also this is the one of the older hotel as well here. Hold on, Grand Extra. This is very old budget hotels here. I think this is the Bintang Hotel actually here, the same one as what is in Flores. Yeah, it is, it's going, it's open, they have a bank even, belongs to the same property there and the place. But as you can see, not that super optimistic regarding the crowds. There's like a little Vietnamese place here, so many banks, you know. Now the banks taking the places after the old hotels and the buildings, but actually those banks are already for ages anyways. But this part of KUTA started dying actually like 10 years ago, 15 years ago, but it's not gone forever, not yet. As you can see, you can still find some people enjoying and even walking around, so it's really not that bad. Even maybe doesn't look like optimistic or very busy, it's not gone forever, not yet. Still, businesses trying to, you know, cover up, handle up. You can find the laundry, and we are just arriving to the Lipo Mall. Finally, eventually, this is the entrance to the Lipo Mall. Here you go. Oh my God, they open our Brazilian Aussie barbecue actually. Here you go. You can see in the Lipo Mall. So I'm gonna stroll now around Lipo Mall, show you outside especially what is around here. Okay, one more time. Let's start since the beginning. This is the entrance to the Lipo Mall, and there are some restaurants and bars at the front of it. Now recently there is huge Australian, Brazilian Aussie barbecue, not Australian, Aussie. This is how it is. This is something new, because when I last time here, been here wasn't here. So they opened one in Sanur, one here. They closed it in Canggu because in Canggu wasn't performing well. And outside, okay, this one, the scene where is the live music, is today under the construction. And then you have a little sushi bar with the tuk-tuk and some few bars and restaurants, but also doesn't look really optimistic, at least after 5 p.m. But this is what you can find actually here. Some food trucks selling some stuff, some chairs, Starbucks. Gonna get inside the mall as well. Actually, I just wanna show you a little bit outside first. Special request for few guys of you who asked me to show you around. Actually, some of you asked me to come here at night. I came at 5, but you got the point. What is here? What you can find? Mexican place, and we're gonna back to the street because there is the Catholic church here. Very nice cathedral actually. Definitely worth to show you. This is it. That's the church over here. And yeah, I'm gonna come back to the mall now a little bit inside, maybe just quickly to show you briefly what is inside. All right, I get inside. There's one billabong, some stalls, but this mall is super quiet. It feels quieter than Discovery Mall actually recently. All the shops are taken, as you can see. coffee, gelato, some waiting room. You can find something, but it's quiet, not much is going on. Giordano, of course, hello. Yeah, pretty sad view of the mall inside. No wonder outside is no better. Well, and the iBox still is there. During pandemic, I was buying the laptop for Winnie there, maybe you remember. But as the old KUTA, old vibe, you will find so many souvenir shops like Nusantara Art and Handicraft Souvenir Center. So this is still existing in KUTA. It's in the malls, let's say in Canggu or in Seminyak even, it will be harder, but in KUTA they have everything. But well, mall is practically empty. Basically outside still have a pretty nice looking Starbucks, some bars. There is another coffee, Max Coffee, next to Brazilian Aussie barbecue, and the live band under the tent of Grab. Basically it's a little bit quiet, but I believe maybe at 7, 8 o'clock it's busier here. But during the daytime really not much you can find. However, I really wanted to show you what's going on in the old KUTA, from Discovery Shopping Mall up to Lipo Mall. Hope so you enjoy. Special memorial walk for you guys, I hope so. Let me know in the comment section as you watch till the end, because I'm sure as the 80% of people just switch off in the first few minutes when I mention only about that, which is a little bit disappointing, but I can see in the statistics actually how long people watching and why they are quitting watching the video. I mean, I cannot see who did this, but I can see in percentage by statistic how many people, at least how many percent of people. So I'm very curious who of you guys watched till the end, till this moment. I really appreciate it. See you tomorrow.